If you're looking for ways to cash in $100 without skills or expertise, then you're watching the right video. The secret is now out. I've found this loophole that allows you to generate money every month. However, you need to use this the right way. And no matter where you are in the world, this will work for you, and this is totally free. Just keep on watching as I show you the tutorial. This might be life-changing for you, so make sure that you stick with me until the end. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's begin the tutorial. I want you to go over to moneypantry.com, and as the website opens, you will see here, Welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn safely more money online. Now, you'll find many different techniques and strategies to make money online on this website and in these blog postings. This is really a fantastic site with a plethora of data. Kudos to the owners of this website. Take a look at this, and amazingly, learn various ways to generate money. It is a legal technique to make money online. There are over 150 real work-from-home jobs available right now. There are numerous ways to earn money, save money, and obtain numerous freebies. On this webpage, to be exact, you can view over different sites that is willing to pay you $100 to $2,000, which means that you are getting paid to simply write. As I've mentioned earlier, it doesn't require skills, which means you don't have to be good or better in English for you to qualify, because I will be sharing with you a Google trick to get things done for you, and all you have to do is wait and get the payments. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. When you visit this website, you will notice that there are a variety of companies eager to pay you to produce articles for them. For example, this company right here on this website, Transition Abroad, is willing to pay you $180 per blog post. As you continue to scroll down, you can see that there are literally hundreds and thousands of different companies willing to pay you a great deal of money. You can see here that they're willing to pay you up to $500 per blog post. This one magazine up to $3,000 per blog post. Their earning potential here is unlimited. Let me give you an example of how you may get money online by simply writing on Google. You can find sites that pay you to write on common interests here. I want to show you this one. It's really easy to write about common interests. There's no conflict, and I'll show you 5 free articles right now. As a result, you can simply receive some inspiration and ideas, or even copy and paste those that have already been completed for your articles. As promised, you don't have to write anything. You don't have to write your own articles, and you can just get paid right now. For example, this company, Vibrant Life, is willing to pay anywhere from $200 to $500. All you have to do is just click on this link, Vibrant Life, and then you'll be taken to the website vibrantlife.com. Let me prove to you how straightforward it is to get compensated on this website. Now, highly essential articles should concentrate on a single issue and stick to it until the end. These are extremely short posts. Only a few hundred words and data, but you can earn up to $200 for every single one, which is a very good earning potential, especially if you're new at this and you don't have enough experience at all. Now, I'd like to offer you an example of how excellent the pay is. For instance, I'd like to show you this website. This one is called Textbroker. This website will pay you to write articles as well, but let me show you how the pricing differs depending on how much money you may make. If you're writing articles for Textbroker, for example, if you write 500 words per article, you'll be paid just about $5. But for this website, Vibrant Life, they can pay you up to $300 by simply writing very short articles above 300 to 500 words. Now let's get started as I'll teach you how to do this. The next step is for you to head over to Quora.com. Quora is a free online community where individuals may ask and answer questions. You can also provide an answer to a question. For example, this question right here. Many people are interested in this topic. Now, if I go to this link right now, you can see that a lot of people are interested in these posts. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom, you can find this many answers. The response, for example, over here is from this guy. For more information, check here. And there is the entirety of the insightful article on the Quora website. I actually prefer Quora so much because you can get hundreds of diverse answers, but they automatically offer you the best answer at the top, like this one. When you search on these topics, they'll give you the greatest response at the top, and then you'll read these articles. You can then replicate this one, but keep in mind that you don't want to reproduce it exactly to avoid plagiarism. Now head on over to google.com and I'd like you to type in Google Docs. Then hit the search button. You will then see the first link right here, Google Docs, which I would like you to click on. Then you'll be taken to this tab where you can create a new document by clicking on this one right here. And we're going to create a new Google Doc, which will be a blank document where you can begin copying and pasting information. What we're simply going to do is copy the response and paste it onto this document. From there, we'll submit it and be paid on several platforms. We're heading back to Quora now, and then you'll open up different links based on your preferences. Then you'll just copy this post and paste it right here in Google Docs. And you can do the same thing on Quora, where we can get diverse responses from other blog entries. We're doing this so that you don't copy exactly what other people are doing. We need to alter it and make sure that it is publish-worthy. There's another Google trick for you. Once you've read those articles and gotten some insight and references from other people's responses, you can go back to Google Docs and click on this tool button right here. Then click on voice typing, and instead of typing and writing the articles yourself, you can actually speak, and then this special tagging feature will appear. All you need to do now is copy and paste. Simply click this button to disable the typing tool after it has been done speaking. This is a great method, a Google trick that you can use instead of manually putting out articles and blog entries. You can just talk and read the response out loud. If you don't want to write, just talk into the microphone and Google will type it up for you. Now, this bonus site that I'm about to show you is called Listverse.com. This website is now offering to pay you to write a top 10 list. Top 10 incredible smells, top 10 deadliest places to scuba dive, and many, many more. And they actually offer up to $150 per top 10 list. As a result, this is a fantastic possibility for you to earn money online. You can now return to Quora. For instance, if you're offered this top 10 incredible smells, you can just go to Quora.com. After that, type in a keyword such as top 10 incredible smells, then hit the search button. You can also conduct a search on this subject to see if you can uncover any useful information. Just make sure to do it creatively. And just like that, you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars by posting online. And that's it. This has been Finance Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.